name is Angelo Tizol.
I'm Rejin George.
And we're from Channel 1 News. We're going to be talking to you today about the hurricane named Irene, which formed on August 21st, 2011, and dissipated on August 30th, 2011. It affected the east coast of the United States and the Caribbean, and started off the west coast of Africa like many other hurricanes do today.
Hurricane Irene was the 9th deadliest hurricane in the United States. It was a Category 3 storm and resulted in 49 deaths. 49 deaths, is this right?
Bro, that's right.
Oh, okay. It also resulted in $15.8 billion in property damage. And because of the extreme damages and deaths, the name was retired.
Let's hear from a first-person account of what happened during the Hurricane Irene. This here is Caitlin Lee, a survivor of the storm. How did the storm affect you, Caitlin?
Well, my house is totaled. There are holes in the roof, and the windows are cracked, and I don't have any food, so I'm so hungry. I should have prepared better.
You should have prepared better?
Yes.
Did no one tell you how to prepare?
No, I wasn't paying attention to the news.
Oh my gosh. Well, here, let me show some of you how to prepare for a hurricane like this. Preparing for a hurricane. Stock up on food. Have a first aid kit on hand. Find a room without windows. Know the evacuation routes. Have a battery-powered radio, flashlight. Secure loose property and debris such as tree branches. And have the house boarded up prior to the hurricane.